Dear brother Qari Khalil, President of Ahl Sunnah, brother Shabir al-Rafai, Sheikh Muhammad Aus, and Sheikh Muhammad Ramzan al-Azhari. It's a great pleasure and honor for me today to attend this blessed evening devoted to the birth of the last prophet of Allah, Hazrat Muhammad Mustapha sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I know our brothers, the guests who joined us today. I will just mention for their information that the Pakistani community is such a great community here in Kuwait that this is the 6th or 7th gathering of this kind that I am attending in Kuwait this year, since the blessed month of Rabiul Awwal began. And I also had the pleasure and honor and of the opportunity of attending the beautiful gathering at the Diwaniya of Hazrat Rafai, Yusuf al-Rafai, I think this Thursday. And it was such a great gathering, and I was really moved by the beautiful naat that Brother Ramzan presented there. It was really great and it was really moving. I thoroughly enjoyed it and it was very refreshing. And today it's my great pleasure and honor on behalf of our brothers, the organizers, Ahl Sunnah, Jamaat Ahl Sunnah, and on my own behalf and the entire Pakistani community to welcome Brother Aus and Brother Ramzan to this blessed evening. So I would be very brief. I mean, because the ulama, the scholars are here, I'm sure they will explain. For the information of our guests, I may mention that in these gatherings, our scholars in different languages. Yesterday, I think before yesterday, I was in another gathering inside a mosque organized by Pakistan, the Education Society of Pakistan. And there were great scholars, who spoke on the different dimensions of the Uswa Hasana of our Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Mustapha sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So these occasions are used by the Pakistani community here in Kuwait to refresh their faith, refresh their love towards the Holy Prophet, and also to refresh the knowledge about Islam, about Sunnah, about the Holy Prophet's great Uswa Hasana. The Uswa Hasana, I explained here in English language that, what does Uswa Hasana means? In my humble view, Uswa Hasana means the ultimate role model for all humanity for all times to come. So this is what it means, because it's not for one nation, it's not for one people, it's not for one language, it's not for one time, it's for all times, for all humanity, because this was a great blessing of Allah that the last prophet Hazrat Muhammad Mustapha sallallahu alaihi wasallam was given this mission to reform humanity and to clean them, to give them the knowledge of the book, Hikmah, Kitab and Hikmah, both of them, and to present the humanity with a role model which is practicable, which is simple, which is beautiful, and which is something which can be practiced by human beings everywhere at all times, whether it is modern times, whether it's old times, whether it's medieval times. The Holy Prophet's model is equally applicable. So this is what we try to learn during this holy month of Rabiul Awwal, and this is the purpose of these beautiful gatherings. We also listen to some of the beautiful Naat Khan, I mean the people who recite for us the beautiful verses from different poets. Every Muslim poet, whatever is his inclination, I mean it's a great thing that this is probably one of the reflections of what the Quran says, وَرَفَعْنَا لَكَ ذِكْرَكَ, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given him so much respect and honor all the times that, even people like Ghalib, for example, he was a poet, he was known for his poetry in a different sense. He was known for its literary value. But even him says that, Ghalib Sanai Khwaja Bayazan Guzashti, Zarqan Zati Pak Martabadane Muhammad Ast. He says that, as far as the praise of Prophet Muhammad is concerned, I am leaving it to Allah Almighty Himself, because He is the one, who has praised Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the Holy Quran in the best way. And similarly Iqbal, similarly other poets. And here I see this famous and beautiful verse by Sadi Shirazi. Balagha al-ula bi kamalihi, kashafat duja bi jamalihi, hasunat jami'u khisalihi, sallu alayhi wa alihi. So this is what Allah bless, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. He gave him respect in this life, and he is our Shafi in the day hereafter, in the day of judgment. He would be there, inshallah, to save all of us, all his ummah, at that difficult moment. So I have some other engagements. I wish I would have stayed with you throughout this beautiful evening and listened to especially my brother Ramzan, and I enjoyed so much, the Naat that he recited the other day. And but I have to go somewhere, so I beg permission from you, but I request you to remember me in your prayers during this evening. Thank you very much.